Hi loves, it's Crystal Marie again. Welcome back to my channel. I am here with a new video. I'm always excited to bring you guys new videos, and I took a little break, so I'm excited to be back and in the saddle of making videos. Oh shoot, I think my earring just fell. Okay, had to put my earring back on because it wasn't letting me be great. But are these cute? These are paparazzi earrings. Everything is like $5. I don't have a code. I don't sell paparazzi. I just thought you guys would like to know. But I bought these at a fun event that I was at. Anywho's, this video is going to be about how you as an influencer or a beginning influencer get free products. One of the best ways, well, wait, before I get into it, be sure to thumbs up the video if you want more like tips and tricks on how to build your influence or how to be an influencer, how to get free products, etc. Definitely leave me a comment below and tell me, yes, Crystal Marie, we want to know how you have built your empire. Okay, so one of the easiest ways, or I guess the best ways starting out, is to make sure, of course, that you are posting consistently, whether that's on Instagram, whether you're doing YouTube, etc. But what I found when I first started out was a company named Influencer reached out to me and I signed up. And what Influencer is it's basically like a company that reaches out to brands and brands reach out to them, and basically they send you a box of goodies. And it's not like it's every month or anything like that. It's based on your preferences and what you fill out. But you get this box of goodies and then you are supposed to do a set of challenges. And the challenges are super easy and things that you would do normally, like post to Instagram, tweet, follow the brand for whatever the brand box is. The boxes are called Vox boxes. So like I said, it's not like I get them like periodically. There's no set every month or anything like that. It just depends on like what new campaign is out and if I'm a fit for that campaign based on what I fill out. So I'm definitely going to leave the code down below and you can sign up, but I wanted to show you my latest Vox box. So it comes in a little box like this. Hopefully you guys can see that. And they're usually filled with goodies. So they'll have, it just dropped out. They will have like a card that tells you the name of the Vox box. So this one is called the Renew Vox box. And it will show you what is in the Vox box. What brands, what, this Vox box is a mixture of brands. Sometimes, a lot of the times, they will have like a Mary Kay Vox box, and it will just be Mary Kay products. Some real cool Vox box that I've had. Of course, Mary Kay was one of the very first really cool ones I had years ago, and I loved it. I pretty much have used all of that already. Some of the more recent ones, this is all a little bit dirty, but this is Erno Laszlo. And it's the white marble dual phase vitamin C peel. This was a really cool one to test out. I'm still using it, and as you can see, they give you really good products, like really good full-size products that you can then, post about on Instagram. You can do a YouTube video on them, and you can actually try them out and see if you really like these products. Another favorite was the Elemis box. So cool. And this was the Superfood facial wash. And then hopefully you guys can see that. This is the Elemis Superfood Day Cream. I'm still using this. It was plenty enough for me to do my reviews at the time. and they were amazing Vox boxes. Now, I've definitely had way more Vox boxes than those, but those are ones that stand out to me. And like I said, you didn't need to have 1 million followers or even thousands of followers, because I think at the time I started, I probably only had a couple hundred, if then. And of course now my channel's growing and my following is growing. So I think, you know, the more you work with them, the better your boxes will get. But this one, the Renew Vox box, let's see what's in it, because I actually only opened it and looked just for a second. So what's in this one is matcha green tea and wild apple blossom butter mask, and this is a deep conditioning with antioxidants to help restore damaged hair. So I will for sure be very excited to try this and hope this works. I actually have my hair done right now, but as soon as I take this all out, I will definitely be wanting to try this. And like I said, look how big, look how much product that you're getting to try out. That's awesome. Let's see, what else is in here? So there's a coupon. Sometimes they'll have like a coupon where you have to go and pick up whatever it is, and that's fine. But most of the time the product will be inside the box. So this one is for the new Pure Blends plant-based butter, and this is good for 1 free. So basically I just need to take this in the store and then I can redeem this. And it looks like they have avocado plant-based butter, and then they have coconut oil plant-based butter, and I will probably pick up the coconut oil. So I'll definitely, if you're not following me on Instagram, I will leave a link to my Instagram below so that you guys can follow, and then once I post about this, you'll know if it was good or not. This is a small, this is the smaller like sample size of the Garnier Skin Active Soothing 3-in-1 Moisturizer Day Night Mask. Made with rose water, made without mineral oil, parabens, silicones, or dyes. So, and then it says, find me in the skincare aisle. So again, this is a smaller one, but this Vox box happens to be one that's kind of like mixing the brands. So that's why. That's awesome. And then we've got a couple packets of Splenda. And let's see, and it looks like a little coupon for Splenda. Now, I'll be honest, I'm not a like Splenda, I don't want to say fake sugar, but you know, the artificial sugar. I'm not an artificial sugar person. So I probably will pass this along to one of my friends for her to try out, because I love either sugar in the raw or like regular sugar, white sugar. Then we have, let's see, the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. All-in-one waterproof, removes makeup, even waterproof mascara, cleanses, refreshes, no rinse, no harsh rubbing, face, and it's for your face, lip, and eyes. And we have a travel size, which is good because it's summertime, so that will be perfect. And then the last thing we have in this Renew Vox box is, it's called Some Soap. Like, really, it's called Some Soap. So we have Some Soap, and it's Naturally Good Suds. It's by Somebody. Seriously, this is what it says. It's by Somebody. It's handmade and pure, milky rich, and the ingredients are coconut oil, palm oil, olive oil, castor oil, safflower oil, avocado oil, babasu, goat milk, rosehip oil, carrot oil, silk powder, and some natural scent blend. Okay, I can read everything that's in there, and I will be happy to try this as well. So that's cool. So that's what's in my most recent Renew Vox box. And I think sometimes, like when it gets to be around summertime, they kind of do these mixture Vox boxes of different things that you might want to try, like for summertime, for seasonal. And so I'm excited to try all of these. And like I said, when you're starting out, don't be afraid to just see what you can do. Like while you're building your following, you don't want to go broke trying to buy all of these products that other influencers are getting for free. Influencer is a great way for you to start out by getting free products that you can review for your blog and for your Instagram, etc. without breaking the bank, because it's free to sign up. So I will leave the link below. Definitely sign up and start out. And if you want to have me post more like tutorials on how to get started with blogging, or how to build your influence, and how to get free product, definitely thumbs up the video and leave me a comment below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will be back soon with more. Have a blessed day or night, or whenever you're watching this video, be blessed.